Oysters Kilpatrick is a dish of oysters that are baked in the oven with Worcestershire sauce and bacon. Now I'm going to take that concept for beautiful sweet prawns, and instead of using Worcestershire sauce, I'm going to use a lovely dark condiment, oyster sauce. It has a deep, rich flavour and it's quite thick, so it's going to work perfectly with the bacon and the prawns. Now the way I like to do this is place the oyster sauce into a bowl first, and then using a pastry brush, we're going to brush some green prawns that I've peeled, deveined and butterflied, so it coats all of the flesh, but I don't want to coat the shell because we want to show that off for presentation. And then we're going to top this with finely chopped bacon. So sprinkle a little bacon over each prawn. Now this goes under the grill for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it. What we're looking for is the prawns to change colour, firm up, and also that bacon to go crispy. How great do these prawns look? They've curled up nicely, and the flavour, that oyster sauce that's a little bit sweet, a little salty, and then the bacon that's smoky, well, it's a match made in heaven for these prawns. I like to serve these with a chunk of lemon and squeeze it over just before serving. A few ingredients that have big and bold flavours. Next time you're cooking prawns, this is a stunning way to prepare them.